Sitting on top of the new frame is a conservatively but artfully updated body with a number of historical callbacks. We can finally put to rest rumors of an all-aluminum body, because that's not the case. Jeep studied it and decided that using aluminum for the hood, doors, and windshield frame and magnesium for the tailgate was the right approach while making the main body shell out of high-strength steel. The fenders, such as they are plastic, so you won't feel bad about bashing them on rocks. In total, the new Wrangler is as much as 200 pounds lighter than the old model.